Here's how to hide your caller ID on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Hiding your caller ID means your phone number won't appear when you call someone. They'll see no caller ID instead. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Phone. Tap Show My Caller ID. This controls whether your number is visible when making calls. Toggle off Show My Caller ID. Your number is now hidden for outgoing calls. To show your number again, just turn this setting back on anytime. Some carriers do not support hiding caller ID. Emergency calls will always show your number. You can also hide your number for a single call. Dial *67 before the phone number, then make the call. If Show My Caller ID is grayed out, contact your carrier to enable this feature. And that's it. That's how you hide your caller ID on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.